Hello, this is Justin from Denver Data Web. Today I'll be showing you how to add annotations to your Google Analytics account. When you're reviewing your website's Google Analytics data, it can be daunting to try to remember every event that can affect your Google Analytics data. Google Analytics annotations give you the ability to document these important updates and changes within Google Analytics audience timeline. Some of these changes that you may want to create annotations for are marketing campaigns, content changes for specific pages, website and server issues, Google algorithm updates, and many others. The annotations you create will help you correlate changes in your analytics, such as spikes or dips in traffic. Identifying these changes will make it easier for you to determine your next strategic plan. Creating an annotation consists of a date, a note, and the visibility of the annotation. The date determines where the annotation is placed on the timeline. The note lets you provide a detailed description for the annotation. And the visibility option provides a private and shared to determine if the annotation should be private to you or shared amongst all users with access to that report. Please note if your access to the account is read and analyze, then you will only have the ability to create private annotations. In order to create a new annotation, you'll want to log into your Google Analytics account. Once you're in the dashboard, you want to click on Audience and then Overview. From here, you can adjust the date range to present where you'd like to add an annotation and see different annotations that you've already added. Select the downward arrow tab below the audience timeline, and this will allow you to be able to create new annotations and see the existing annotations. To create a new annotation, select the Create New Annotations link. From here, a form will appear, and we're ready to create our first annotation. First, we'll provide a date for the annotation for it to appear. Next, we will add a note for the annotation. Please remember this note can only be 160 characters long, so make sure your message is as clear as possible. Last, select the shared or private option to determine the visibility of the annotation. We'll go ahead and leave this shared for the whole team, and then we'll click Save to add the annotation to the timeline. Once you've added your first annotation, you'll see a chat bubble appear on the timeline below the date you selected for the annotation. If you select that chat bubble and this drop-down has not appeared, the drop-down will automatically open. So you might be wondering, this is a great and all, but what if I'm wanting to see every annotation regardless of the date range? Google Analytics does give that option in order to see all the annotations for a view. So first, we're going to visit the admin page in the lower left. Under the View column in the far right, under Personal Tools and Assets, select Annotations. Here you can see every annotation you've added to this view. From here you can add, update, and delete the annotations just like you would from the timeline. You have successfully added your first Google Analytics annotation, and now you'll be able to use annotations to better understand how notable changes are affecting your website's analytics. We hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Also visit our website at denverdata.com for additional helpful videos and articles.